Hi there, students. Listless, an adjective. Listlessly, the adverb. And listlessness, the noun. So, if somebody is listless, they lack energy or enthusiasm. They're lethargic and bored. They feel apathetic about everything. So children sitting in class on a lovely sunny day often become listless. They're bored and they have no enthusiasm for the class. So listless, not wanting to make any effort, not wanting to exert yourself, lacking vigour and zest. The passengers listlessly waited in the airport lounge as their plane had been delayed by several hours. They didn't know what to do, they were bored, and they had no enthusiasm to do anything except get on the plane. So, listlessness, a state of ennui, as we saw the other day, low spirits, where you're not alert or energetic. He had been ill in bed for 2 weeks, and now he was bored and listless. The crowd listlessly waited for the event to start. So, listless. This gives you the idea of being without direction, without motivation, not knowing what to do and not even wanting to know what to do. His listless voice told me that he was not motivated to do this. He listlessly lay on the sofa and turned into a couch potato. The boring lecture made the students restless and listless. He was unemployed for a long period of time, and you might have thought that listlessness would set in. But at no time was he listless. He was always finding new things to learn and new things to do. So if you're listless, you have this state of ennui. You don't really care. You don't want to do anything. Okay, next question. Formality. I'd probably give it something like a 6.5 in formality. It sounds a bit literary. Yeah, I think informally I might say bored or unmotivated. And then what about the origin? Well, in Middle English, the word list meant desire to do things. So, if you're listless, you're without desire. You don't want to do anything, okay? So, I hope you're full of enthusiasm and not listless at the moment. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Listless.